From Google, search for Java and navigate to Oracle Java main site. Click on Java SE Development Kit button. Scroll down the page and click on JDK 17 tab. Next, click on Windows tab. Locate the x64 installer entry and click on the download link. Open Downloaded Installer and proceed with the normal installation. You can change the Java JDK 17 installation folder if you want it. Let's test if Java JDK 17 was correctly installed. Open the CMD Windows command prompt. Type Java version on the prompt and press Enter. Confirm that the Java 17 version was shown.